Back again with 15 powerful AI tools you need to see. This is part 11, and trust me, today's list is packed with game changers. Powerful AI website you should know, part 93. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can create text-to-speech with human-like emotions for free with AI. Simply enter your text here, then click here to start generating. The generation will be complete in a while.
You get full control over scripts and voices.
Wow, amazing.
Powerful AI website you should know, part 94. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can easily remove unnecessary objects from any photo using AI. First, easily upload photos by clicking here. Then mark the one you want to remove like this, then click here. AI will make the objects disappear very quickly, then click here to download. Powerful AI website you should know, part 95. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can convert any low-resolution image to high-resolution with AI. First, click here and upload the photo. Now you can change the ratio if you want, then click here. After some processing, you can edit or download it here. Here are the results. Powerful AI website you should know, part 96. Did you know if you go to this website, here you will find numerous AI tools for all tasks in one place. Here you will easily find countless tools, including AI writing tools, image tools, video tools, coding tools, and more. There is even the opportunity to use it for free. Powerful AI website you didn't know existed, part 97. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can set unique colors for your brand website or graphics. First, click here to upload. Now you can change the color of your design as you wish. This website will really speed up your work. Powerful AI website you should know, part 98. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can solve almost all equations with free AI. Simply type here or upload a photo. Then click here for the solution. AI will immediately solve the equation step by step. Powerful AI website you need to know, part 99. Did you know if you go to this website, here you will find all the AI tools used in our daily lives together. Here, AI video generator tools, video editor tools, image generator tools, audio generator tools, and many other important tools are included. Powerful AI website you should know, part 100. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can create your product description with free AI. First, give a brief description of your product, set keywords, select tone, and choose language. Now, hit the Generate option. The perfect product description for your product is ready. Powerful AI website you should know, part 101. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can translate any language into your preferred language with free AI. First, select the language you want to translate and paste the text here. Then select the language you want to translate to here. Now click here. It's very easy. Powerful AI website you should know, part 102. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can summarize any document or PDF with AI. First, simply drop your PDF here. AI will instantly generate the best summary for you. You can use it for professional work if you want. Powerful AI website you should know, part 103. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can easily create designs using templates with AI. Here you can create everything from logo designs to business cards, invitation cards, posters, social media template, marketing template, and even resumes with just a few clicks. Powerful AI website you should know, part 104. Did you know if you go to this website, here you will easily find almost all photo editing tools together. There are many popular tools here, including AI image generator, face swap, background remover, object remover, AI generative fill, and many more. Powerful AI website you should know, part 105. Did you know if you go to this website, this could be the best AI for you in student life. Here you will find AI for solving any problem, writing essay, automatic lecture notes, generating flashcards, quiz practice, and even chatting assistant. Powerful AI website you should know, part 106. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can remove anything from the image for free using AI. First, upload your image here. Continue with SD. Let's remove the lemon. Carefully mark it. Vanish! It has been completely deleted. Click here to download. Powerful AI website you should know, part 107. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can chat with PDF via AI. First of all, easily upload your PDF file here. It will take a little while to process. And then, you can ask any question or query about that PDF here. You will easily get all the answers. That wraps up part 11 of our AI tools series. Which tool was your favorite? Drop it in the comments and don't miss part 12 coming up soon.